Hi, Rabbit. Whoa. What do you think about this smart band? I think he's not really convinced, so let's take a closer look to this smart band. Welcome on Ticking Watch, my name is Sebastian, and let's start this review. Okay, so we can see here it is a smaller timepiece, it is a smart band, not a smart watch. The color suggests it is a lady's timepiece, and what we get with the box is, of course, in addition to the watch, is a manual, and also we get a charging cable without a charger. So if we need to charge the watch, we need, of course, to connect these two gold points with these two pins in the charger. I will remove this message. Now it is empty. I will come back to these messages later. And then the end with USB, we have to connect to some USB port, and so we can charge our smart band. Okay, the basic dimensions, it's pretty easy. So the height of this smart band is 27.3, so not really wide. The length is about 46, and the thickness is only 10 millimeter, so very comfortable size. And between the lugs is 20, so pretty easy to fit some strap. Okay, let's move on to the next point, what we have inside. So we can change face of this smart band. Inside we have, of course, settings. Here are some things like power off, about, reset, QR code. This is the code for the application of this smart band. What else we have here? Yeah, it's the software. And we can, of course, change here brightness of the face of the screen of this small smart band L11. Another thing we have here, something like flashlight. So the screen is just white and gives us a white light. And another thing, we can disable notifications to the smart band. I will come back to the application of this for this smart band a little bit later. And of course, we can measure here a lot of sport activities, and I can see here is quite a lot of them. Let's check the first one. We have countdown, and we measure here the bitrate, calories, and in general, all these sport activities application measure the same. So heartbeat rate, calories, and sometimes also the distance. Here another one, we have here heartbeat and burned calories. Okay, let's shoot down this. And the size of this smart band L11 is pretty handy. So it indicates the size. It is a lady watch, but in my opinion it can be used by young people and even by men. You can buy it also in black color, in blue color, in red color, so quite a lot of variety of colors. I will leave a link, it is an affiliate link, in the description down below, so you can check the actual price. And other things which you can follow with the smart band is the heartbeat rate, is the blood pressure, it's of course the oxygen, and it's the daily targets of the steps, kilometers, distance, and so on. You can check also the weather, because when the smart band is connected with your mobile phone, it takes from its application the actual weather. Okay, for this particular model, I would recommend, the oxygen level, I would recommend maybe to replace the silicone strap with this mesh bracelet. It's pretty handy, it's pretty nice, and yeah, I think it's much more durable comparing to this silicone strap. So it could look like, yeah, that's it. looks pretty well on my wrist. Even I have quite a bigger wrist. Here I will compare this L11 smart band with my other smartwatch or other smart band, other budget smartwatch. And let's check maybe how accurate they can measure, give they a similar result. Let's check it. And let's maybe choose the blood pressure. So the first one already started the measurement, and here the second one. And so the first result is 106 to 70. And the second one 112 to 74. Okay, so let's maybe check the pulse, the heartbeat. Here. It takes always a little bit time. So here we have 68 and on this bigger 75. So there is a difference, 70 maybe. So there is always some difference because they are not very accurate sensors. This is what we can expect from $20-25. I mentioned that for this particular smart band we have a dedicated smartwatch application, and with this application we can follow the most important results, measurements. We can also change the watch face, and there is quite a lot of variety. We can also get notifications to our smart band from WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, and. So here is a list of all these applications. Of course, the permission have to be given by you. So if you are thinking about affordable smart band or smartwatch, call it like you want, this one I think is quite interesting option. It's not very expensive. Looks pretty nice, it's not very big, so it's pretty handy. You have quite a lot of options to choose, and the mobile phone application can collect many different useful data. Okay, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, click the thumb up. If you didn't, click the thumb down and then tell me why you didn't like it. Good day for you and your family. Take care, bye bye.